You pups better stick close. You're always getting into trouble. We never get into trouble. You do. It's so dirty here. My paws will get dirty again. Oh, I'm so tired. I think I need a rest. Come on, pups. Rest? Great. Stop being so dramatic, Catherine. I'm not dramatic. Yes, you are. Foxes in my territory? My daughter will be in danger. Time for them to pay. I think I hear something. I don't know. Pups, get up quick. We're in danger. Huh? Oh no. What are we gonna do? Run! Those pups look catchable. I gotta tell mom and dad. I gotta tell the leader. I gotta tell the other foxes. It won't be fair to run after them. I'm gonna walk. No food all day. Who's that? Foxes? Ow! Mittens, are you okay? Ow, 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 ow. It hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Mittens, please, we gotta keep going. She's coming. Time to see what happens when you make a horse angry. Bye, Catherine. Bye, Mittens. Wait, why are we sounding so happy? Get away from them now. I'll be back with backup. Or on your own. Are you younglings okay? Yeah, I guess. I can find your parents. Well, we're really lost. We're super far away from them. We don't know where they are. And we were like having a babysitter, but she had to run fast too. And I'll take you to my pride. Your pride? You have a pride? Yeah. Who's their pride? You'll see. Come on. Should we trust her? Well, she's our only hope. I guess. I just hope we can trust her. I'll beat you this time. Oh, cubs, stop fighting. Seriously. Come on, Mommy. Yeah, come on. Is that a horse? Huh? I can defeat it. Seriously. Oh my gosh, that's a bit huge. Cubs, step back. Why? More? All right. It's time. Time for what? Time for this. Run, cubs, run. Come on, Diamond. I'm impure. Oh, I got to go. Huh? Are those lion cubs? White lion cubs? Oh look, there's a caracal. Should we be like running the other direction? And that's the horse place. I do not think there is such thing. Hi, I'm Pure. And I'm Diamond. Oh, hi. Are you two lost? Yeah, we've been attacked by a horse. Again, another one? These two fox pups were attacked by a horse. Oh, I'm ringing into my pride. You wanna come? Yeah, sure. I guess. Yay. More players. How fun. Faster, kids. I thought you were the slowest. Hey, don't accuse us like that. I don't think she was accusing us. It took a while, but we're finally here. Home sweet home. Seriously? This is your pride? Yeah, really? Oh my gosh. This is the weirdest pride I ever seen. Oh, I know, but it's home. Oh, Rosa, you're here. Rosa's here, everybody. Yay, Rosa's here. Rosa's here. Oh, stop going nuts, will you? Ah, come on, Lassie. You make things boring. Excuse you? Never mind. Hey, guys. Did you brought any food? No, but I did find cubs who were attacked by a horse. All of them were attacked by the same horse. Okay. I just need to introduce them to the leader. Oh, the leader? She's over there. Okay. Hi, leader. Oh. Hi, Rosa. Did you catch anything? No, but I found cubs. Cubs? Yes. There are 2 fox pups and 2 white lions. Are they males or females? They're all females, ma'am. Okay. Bring them up to me. Okay. The leader wants to see you. Oh no. Come on. Who's the leader? Maybe it's a fox. Ah, silly. It must be like I don't know, a gigantic cheetah or something. I don't think so. Ma'am, here are the pups that you asked for. What are your names? Oh, I'm here. And I'm Diamond. I'm Mittens. And I'm Catherine. You are allowed to stay until we find your parents. Really? Yes. Someone must babysit you, though. I will. I guess I will, too. Good. You are allowed to stay. Yay. But on one condition. This isn't good. If you betray us, we won't betray you, we promise. And you, hurt cubs. No, but we'll keep you as prisoners. Oh. Anyways, you are allowed to stay with Dinah and Winter. Okay. Well, kids, it's nearly time for you to go to sleep, so story time. Oh. Do you cubs have a story? Yeah. Ugh, no. Do you two have a story? Yeah, it's our background story. Don't tell them, no. Don't worry. We will make fun of you. Okay. Let's all get seated for story time. So, do you have like a background story or something? Yeah. You tell it to them. That was not my idea. Oh, for Pete's sake. Well, once, when we were young, we were found. We were like 2 days old, and then a lioness found us, and she adopted us. There you go. Oh, so your mom is not really your mom? Well, we call her mom, but we still find her like our mom. Oh, well, at least you have a true mom. Yeah, I guess. Is it playing time? It's sleeping time. Sleeping time is the most boringest time of the day, Mom. Well, it's sleeping time now. Yeah, I guess. Oh, Mama, please. Oh dear. What will happen tomorrow? I don't know. tomorrow we will look for the cubs' parents. And will that be the end of the story? I hope so, Roxy. I hope so. In the meantime, we'll all get some rest until the cubs are found.